Today I'm gonna plant saplings using the same compost made in the last video. I'm adding pebbles in the pots for better drainage. It's almost 3 months since we made this compost. It's ready to use. Now I'm adding the compost in the pots, making sure it's not completely full because we need aeration of the soil. I'm planting 3 saplings today. First is aloe vera. Second is tulsi. Last one is snake plant. Do you know what's common in these plants? These plants act as purifier because they release oxygen at night also. Now I will add little water. I'm so happy I did it.